Today we'll be learning about how to download free games on Epic Games. So first of all, you'll have to sign in, or if you haven't yet created an account on Epic Games, then you'll need to create an account on Epic Games. And after you have signed into your Epic Games account, then the first official page of Epic Games account will look like this. And once you're on this page, you'll need to discover all the games here. You can scroll down and check the games that are for free. Since the above games are for purchased, so you can scroll down and here you can see the Fortnite game has been shown for play for free. So you can click on play for free for now, and when you scroll down you can see the option of get Fortnite. So click on get Fortnite, scroll again, and now click on get. Here you'll need to go through all this instruction and the terms and conditions of game here. So after you have read all the license agreement, you'll need to check mark this box and click on accept. Order has been loading. Here you need to verify your information and click place order. So the price is 0 for now. You need to enter or create a tag here, and you need to click here to agree to share your email with Epic Games. So Epic Games will use your email address for marketing, and otherwise in accordance with its privacy policies we encourage you to read. So you can check mark it. You can enter or create a tag if you have. Otherwise, let's keep as it is and click on place order. Here, our order has been placed. If you are ready for downloading the launcher, then you can click on it. Otherwise, you can continue browsing as well. So let's click on continue browsing. So once you have claimed the free games, you need to keep an eye on the Epic Games Store each week for new free games offering. So they typically rotate every Thursday. So after claiming the free games, they will be added to your library, and you can install and play them at any time. So remember, these promotions are time limited, so it's good idea to check back regularly to see what new free games are available. So in this way, you can easily get free games from the Epic Games. And I hope you found this video useful. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.